Hello and welcome back to Wealth-ology. For today's video, we will be going to talk about 4 best assets that will make you rich in 2022. Let's get started. These assets are not an easy road to wealth. You must invest time and effort into knowing about them, wrapping your head around them, and doing some research before you can profit from them. However, you must put in some effort up front. One thing we will say about this method of earning money is that it is far easier than working a 9-to-5 job or anything like that. There's less time, more fun, and definitely more money to be made. So let's get started with the first asset. Number 1, stocks. Stocks are the first asset. First and foremost, where is the proof that a stock may make you wealthy? Okay, so Tesla stock has gone from roughly $42 per share to over $400 in a year. Yes, that won't make you wealthy, but who can complain about increasing their net worth by 10 times the amount? Another example is Zoom stock, which jumped from $70 per share to over $500. DKNG, the ticker symbol for DraftKings, has risen from $10 to nearly $50. That's an almost 5-fold increase in the amounts. Ask Buffett or any other billionaire. You can't be a slacker stock investor if you don't want to lose money. The Teslas and DraftKings aren't going to be found because you didn't put in the effort upfront. To be successful in the game, you must at least be player frequently. If you're a basketball enthusiast, you'll watch practically every game and it's a lot of fun. Investing, like anything else, can be a lot of fun once you get started. You begin to wonder who will be the successful companies in the future. Perhaps artificial intelligence. You can find the next Tesla, Amazon, and Apple by investing in esports and electric vehicles and then buying stocks. To begin with, you do not require a significant sum of money to get started and invest in. For $100 and $200, you can literally develop a tiny portfolio. AT&T, the stock that is now in the 5G industry and costs $25 per share, is an example. The game firm Activation Blizzard is worth $80 for each share. It is not expensive to begin investing, and you can discover a whole new approach, a whole new universe of producing money. Number 2, online business. And I know what you're thinking, an online business is too difficult. Even if you enjoy your 9-to-5 job, you should consider beginning an online business as a side hustle. It doesn't matter who you are or what your interests are. Just listen. People in their teens and average people are generating a lot of money by launching an online business because this is what you need to know about the internet world, about technology, and this is one area where we, as young people, have an advantage. Since older generation did not grow up with technology, they grew up skating, playing sports, and doing things like that outside. Young folks are more technologically savvy than everyone else. The only issue is that young people only want to use technology to watch films or play games. They do not want to use it to make money, which is excellent for us because there will be less competition. You can make money online no matter what you're into or what your interest is. If you're into photography, you may easily sell your images and avoid shutter shock. You can teach guitar or music online if you enjoy it. It doesn't have to bring in millions of dollars, but no one can argue with a reasonable side income. In any case, in this day and age, everyone wants to be online. However, very few people understand how to make money online. Number 3, real estate. Even if you can borrow up to 80% of the money you need to buy a house, you must have a deposit saved. Nonetheless, it is an asset that will make you wealthy. And most wealthy people possess real estate in some manner. But you already know that you may start from scratch with no money. It seems like the real estate agent side of things was a lot of fun. With everyone selling houses, there was a buzz in the air. It has a strong sense of community and is quite social. The benefit of being the agent is that you get inside information. You learn the exact market worth of each home. You know what to look for in a house and how to negotiate a good price. If you don't have the money to buy property, you might try becoming an agent. Otherwise, you have the option of investing in an REIT, which stands for Real Estate Investment Trust and is essentially a stock that invests in real estate. A far less expensive way to invest in real estate. However, if you truly want to make money in real estate, you must become an independent owner. You don't have to be as big as them, but even owning 1 or 2 homes can bring in thousands of dollars of income each month, nothing to complain about. Number 4, commodities. Oil, water, and gold are limited resources. Basically, there are only so many of them on the earth. Water in particular, and becoming a shareholder in something with a limited supply is typically a waste investment. Another advantage of certain commodities is that they provide significant tax benefits. For example, the tangible cost of drilling for oil is fully deductible. As a result, commodity investments such as these have significant advantage. Bitcoin is another form of commodity worth considering. Yes, it is a currency, but it also functions as a commodity. There is a lot of potential money to be generated if Bitcoin continues to increase in popularity and more individuals adopt its practical use. But Bitcoin is, without a question, a very risky asset, especially when compared to the other assets I've discussed. The difference between the rich and the poor, though, is that the poor advise get a safe job and work your way up to corporate ladder. Wear your suit and tie every day from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and you'll make some money. Work for assets, the wealthy advice, so you can make money while you sleep. Buy assets, commodities, and real estate when you can. And most importantly, if you truly want to become wealthy, you must start your own business. And the way forward is online. The opportunity is now, but most will unfortunately pass it up. So, which assets has shown to be beneficial and inspiring to you? Please let me know by leaving a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you on our next video.